better place. We are smart at what we do to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. Smart do.
Hope you are well. Welcome to this lesson. We are going to discuss the volume of a frustrum. The volume of a frustrum is a cone that has no top. For example, you can have these are frustrum. These are frustrum. So it has this. So I've said it is a cone that has no top. So for example, you complete the top, so it becomes a cone. So we can say in simple terms, a frustrum is an example of a cone, but a cone that has not the top. For example, this is the smaller radius. We denote it by the small r. This is the bigger radius. We denote it by the larger r. And then from here to here we have height, and the bigger height is equals to h. So from there you can say that if you have the odd measurement, you can just get any question on frustrum when it comes either to volume, when it comes to surface area. But for this topic, let's have the volume of a frustrum. I hope you will enjoy this lesson because it's a very simple question. So the next thing, can you know how you can get the volume of a frustrum? One, the volume of a frustrum is equals to the volume of bigger cone minus the volume of smaller cone. So knowing that you have everything, you can get the whole question of 10 marks. So because this is the volume of a frustrum, how can you get the volume of the bigger cone? So the bigger cone, if you remember that the volume of a cone is equals to a third pi r squared h. So this is the formula that you are going, because it's a cone. This is the formula to get volume of a cone. So it becomes a third pi r squared h, because the bigger. That's why we are using the bigger radius and the bigger height. Subtract the volume of the smaller cone is equals to a third pi r squared h squared. The smaller height and the smaller radius. So from there, now you can carry on. For example, you can be given a question, and then for example here, from here to here, it's 45 centimeter. That is 45 centimeter. It's a question you have been given, 45 centimeter. Here is 14 centimeter. There is 14 centimeter. And the bigger radius is equals to 24.5 centimeter. And then from there, you can see you don't have the smaller radius, you don't have the bigger radius, but we have the height from here to the bottom of the frustrum. So what are you supposed to do? Using the knowledge of Form 2 work, you are taught how you can use the similarity of figures. The similarity towards the whole topic, similarity and congruence. But here you're going to use the similarity concept. That was saying you compare one figure to the other one that are similar so that you can get the other distance that you are lacking. For example, you can use the smaller radius, which is equals to 14, and then the bigger radius, which is equals to the 24.5 is equals to what? We have compared the smaller radius with that of the bigger radius. Now can we compare the smaller height with the bigger height? The smaller height is equals to h. the bigger height is equals to what? From here to here it's 45. From here to here it's h. So the bigger height is equals to 45 plus h. 45 plus h. So you have it as 45 plus h. And then you do your calculation. If you cross multiply and you do your, so it becomes h is equals to what? You do your calculation and then you're going to get h is equals to 60 centimeter. Is equals to 60 centimeter. And then from there, after you cross multiply, so similarly we have said is equals to what? R over the bigger radius is equals to h over the bigger h. So that's the concept of similarity we have used. The next thing, can you now find, now the bigger radius becomes what? It becomes 45 plus 60, which is equals to 105 centimeter. And here it becomes what? It is equals to 60 centimeter. And then from there you can carry on with the formula. We have said the volume of the frustrum is equals to what? The bigger cone is equals to a third multiplied by 22 over 7. Let's use our pi is 22 all over 7. 22 over 7. But some questions, when you're not given, can you always try to use is equals to 3.142. Wherever you're not given, try to use that one. But in our case, we have been given 22 over 7. Then we multiply by the radius, the bigger radius, which is equals to 24.5. 24.5 squared multiplied by h, our bigger h is equals to 1.5. And then the whole of that you subtract. Now the volume of the smaller cone is equals to, so you subtract a third, multiplied by 22 over 7, multiplied by, we have 20, the smaller radius is equals to 14 squared multiplied by the smaller height, which is equals to 60. And then you subtract from the bigger one. So from there, if you use your calculator well, so the first one becomes 66,000. The volume of the bigger cone is equals to 66,000. 0.5 minus 12,320. So if you subtract with your calculator, well, it becomes 53,000 centimeters cubic. So it becomes that is your volume. So that's the volume of Frustrum. Hope you have enjoyed my class. Do more examples to get it clear. Thank you.